Hello, this is the Introverted Gadgeteer here, and today we're going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. So, let's take a look. You see here we've got the original box with all the bits about the phone. It will just slide out like this, and there's the phone itself. I've gone ahead and put the phone aside so we can take a better look at what comes with the phone in the box. We've just got some extra bits, some plastic. And it's quite a throwback, these chargers, because nowadays we only seem to get a USB cable. But there was a time where phone manufacturers were shipping an individual charger along with a data sync cable. And we've also got some headphones, which is another luxury you don't seem to get in phones nowadays. We just put that aside and then we'll take a better look at the phone itself. So I picked this up from my local CEX for £25, and I will include a screenshot of the page that shows the price of the phone here. I'd like to just take a moment to have a quick look at the condition of the phone. And I've got to say, it's in absolutely incredible condition for its age. The phone is just over 10 years old, and I believe it was released alongside the Samsung Galaxy S5 as a budget-friendly alternative. But it does sport that very, very familiar classic Samsung touchscreen phone look that we all remember. I'll just power on the phone so we can have a better look at the interface. And while we're waiting, I'll just stick the specifications up on screen for anybody that's interested. So here we are on the main setup menu. I'll go ahead and set the phone up, and then we'll jump to when we're on the menu screen. The phone is now all set up, and I've got to say the setup process was actually really user-friendly and very quick to get through. So we just unlock the phone here. We can see the lock screen. We just swipe up, and this is the main home screen of the Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. So we've got our quick toggles up here. A very simple but attractive menu. It's kind of a shame because these were only updated to Android 5.1. I didn't see any more updates afterwards. So that was just a very quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. I generally have massive trouble trying to recommend something like this, only down to the lack of support. I feel this phone is very smart and has some really good qualities, but I wouldn't really suggest buying one, especially in today's date. I'm going to end the video here, but if you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and show your support with a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.